Alright, quick one. Does the Samsung 55-inch Odyssey Ark 2nd Gen 4K actually deliver? Let's find out. I recently got my hands on this bloke and I've been putting it through its paces. Who needs a monitor like this, you ask? Well, gamers who want to elevate their experience and creators who need a solid tool for their content. If you're someone who spends hours playing games or editing videos, this monitor's features are pretty appealing. The 4-input multi-view is where it shines. With the ability to connect up to 4 different inputs at once, including DisplayPort 1.4, I can play console and PC games simultaneously while focusing on my gameplay. It's bloody handy, mate. And if you're more into content creation, the multiple input function allows for seamless switching between devices. Now, let's talk about what makes this thing truly special: its screen size and curvature. The 55-inch large screen delivers a picture that'll overwhelm your senses. It's like stepping into an adrenaline-fueled experience. And the 1000R curvature is where things get serious. It wraps around your field of vision, creating maximum immersion that's pretty hard to describe, but trust me when I say you need to see it for yourself. The refresh rate is incredible at 165 Hz, which eliminates lag and gives you ultra-smooth action. This makes identifying enemies a breeze with elite precision, no matter what game you're playing. The response time is also lightning fast at 1 millisecond, precise mouse movements, and blur-free frames, all with minimized ghosting. Now, here's the real MVP: swing into groundbreaking views. With the cockpit mode on HAZ, tilt, and pivot functionality for an optimal screen environment. I'm not gonna lie, this thing is a game changer for finding your perfect viewing spot. It creates a new sense of world-blending immersion that's really, really nice. But let's talk about the sound system, and here's where things get a bit wonky. The Sound Dome technology with 4 corner speakers and 2 central woofers is pretty impressive at first, but it does have one major flaw: the low bass range gets lost in the mix, even when the notes drop down to 45 Hz. That being said, I'm still quite pleased with this aspect of the monitor. Now, let's get into what the real buyers are saying about the Odyssey Ark. Most of them love it, praising its features, performance, and overall value for money. However, one common complaint is that it can be a bit pricey. It's rated at 3.95 stars with over 200 reviews, so I think we've got a pretty solid view on what to expect. So, here's the verdict. Does this thing deserve your hard-earned cash? If you're in the market for a top-notch gaming monitor with advanced features that'll take your content creation or gaming experience to the next level, then yeah, this is the one for you. But if budget's a concern, I reckon it might be worth waiting for a sale. Hit subscribe if you want straight-up reviews with no sponsor bias. Link below if you want it. Cheers, see you next video.